Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer this beautiful Triumph Street Scrambler 900, registered the 29th of March 2018 on an 18 plate with only 2,435 miles and presented in Korosi Red frozen silver. This particular example benefits a comprehensive service history, 6 stamps in the book, and last service just 82 miles ago. Center stand, knee pad tank protectors and rear carry rack. The pillion seats also included in the sale. The Street Scrambler 900 is super cool looking, comfortable and engaging to ride. The parallel twin thumps along effortlessly and handles beautifully. If you're looking for something with plenty of retro charm and character, the Street Scrambler should definitely be on your radar. This handsome example will leave us with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, PDI, 12 months, MOT, and 3-month warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142444 4448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk, or WhatsApp 07359837799. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.